When you change a little in a relationship, become slightly busy, a bit more confident, a little mysterious.
The other person's behavior suddenly changes. They start giving more attention, sometimes become a little possessive, and sometimes they even feel jealous. But the real question is, where does this jealousy come from? From love or from fear? Today, let's understand the dark psychology of relationships in a simple and realistic way. Psychology says the biggest reason for jealousy is the fear of losing someone. When someone starts thinking, this person can be happy without me, or maybe I can be replaced, that's when insecurity begins. Insecurity creates jealousy. Many times, jealousy doesn't come from deep love. It comes from low self-confidence. The human brain naturally chases uncertainty. If you are always available, always explaining everything instantly, the excitement slowly fades. But when you focus on your own life, don't share every detail, and keep a little mystery, curiosity starts building. Curiosity creates attention. Attention creates attachment. And attachment brings fear. The fear of, what if I lose them? That's where jealousy quietly begins. Short pause. The strongest psychological trigger is confidence. When you improve your life, your fitness, career, personality, mindset, your value naturally increases. And when you're